Hello, in this lecture we explain about a style guide to write a script like a professional. Uh, we recommended the use of Camel case for all identifiers, variable or function. Okay, what is Camel case? Camel case is like this. For example, we define a function get, for example, high. Okay, and we write like this. Okay, this is name get high. H here is uppercase. Okay, new second word is first letter of second word is higher, is uppercase. Okay, this is camel case. With this in this size camel case. Okay, it's very common to write function identifier like this. And the use of qualifying suffix when it provides, okay, something like show import per color. Okay, like this. In this is camel case. And for example, this write color like this, constants. Okay, color integer, anything, any constant like this with uppercase. Okay, example bg color kilos higher than, open, so gray, so for example line is gray. Okay, like this is pro, as you see. Okay, you can change name and sorry, lime is a little we can change lime to green. Okay, but write in like this. Like this. Okay, and something better, something green should be like this. Okay, something, for example, we have a line. Let's I show you, for example, this input. Okay, this is just shortcut, some shortcut. This input, for example, we here this is an input. Don't care to this error. This is just a style example. Okay, as you see here, we have we should change it. Okay, if you press Alt plus Z, as you see, it moved this to next line. Okay, so with Control and Z. Okay, if we want to delete a line, we can use Control L. Okay, as you see, select all line. Okay, Control plus L. Okay, Control and A, select all. If we want to delete and copy, okay, we can use Control plus X. Okay, we can with this, as you see, it deleted and copied. So here we paste. How we can paste? With Control plus V. Okay, how we can just copy with Control C. Okay, like this. In Windows with the Control, because in Linux is not works. In these are works in Linux, but this I think just work on Windows. Control plus I don't know, maybe shift and down arrow. It copy current line and paste on below line. Okay, for example, this copy this and paste on below line. If you press Control Alt, I think, not Control Alt, because now I'm on Linux, I cannot try that. But I think with Control Alt, with this it works. Okay.